Right, so here you see I have the auto run going on DayZ. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's pretty simple. Somebody recently taught me this. You're pressing forward and then you want to press Windows G key, which will bring up the game bar, and then you just press escape. And you're rolling. So I'll show you that again. One thing that's a little strange is to stop, you don't actually press backwards. You have to press forward again. So I'll show you that again. You're just going forward, you're holding forward, and then Windows G to bring up the game bar, and then escape. So thanks to Advantage who taught me that. It's a lot better than the old way I did, which was to wedge a quarter. Press, the W key and then wedge it between the 2 and the 3, which often worked. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have some other trick you use. And in case anyone's wondering why you would want to do this, when you are crossing this giant map, sometimes it takes forever. So, okay, good luck.